ICJ, International Court of Justice, IDBL, Industrial Development Bank of India, IEA, International Energy Agency, IES, Indian Economic Service, IFA, Indian Football Association, IFFL, International Film Festival of India, IFS, Indian Foreign Service, Indian Forest Service, IG, Inspector General, IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University, IHF, Indian Hockey Federation, IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, ILO, International Labour Organization, IMC, Indian Medical Council, INTERPOL, International Criminal Police Organization, IOA, Indian Olympic Association, IPC, Indian Penal Code, IPS, Indian Police Service, IRBM, and Intermediate Range Ballistic Missile, IRC, International Red Cross, ISKCON, International Society for Krishna Conscious, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, ISP, Internet Service Provider, IST, Indian Standard Time, ITBP, Indo-Tibet Border Police, ITBP, India-Tibet Border Police, ITDC, Indian Tourism Development Corporation, JNU, Jawaharlal Nehru University, JRY, Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, LASER, Light Amplification by Stimulated Emission of Radiation, LDC, Least Development Countries Lower Decision Clerk, LLB, Legium Bachelor of Laws, LGP, Liquefied Petroleum Gas, LTTE, Liberation Tigers of Tamil Ilm, MA, Master of Arts, MBA, Master of Business Administration, MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MCA, Monetary Compensatory Account, Master of Computer Application, MCL, Medical Council of India, MED, Master of Education. MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly, MLC, Member of Legislative Council, MNC, Multinational Corporation, MP, Member of Parliament, Military Police, Madhya Pradesh, MLP, Moon Impage Probe, MRM, Medium Range Missiles, MS, Master of Surgery, MSc, I start my journey by taking the name of Allah. NAAL, National Airport Authority of India, NABARD, National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development, NAFTA, North American Free Trade Agreement, NAM, Non-Allied Movement, NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NBT, National Book Trust, NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCR, National Capital Region, NDA, National Defense Academy, NDC, National Development Council, NER, Northeastern Railway, NEFA, Northeast Frontier Agency, NFDC, National Film Development Corporation, NLFT, National Institute of Fashion Technology, NIIT, National Institute of Information Technology, NLM, National Literacy Mission, NR, Northern Railway, NREGP, National Rural Employment Guarantee Program, NRL, Non-Resident Indian, NRY, Nehru Rozgar Yojana, NSIC, National Small Institutes Corporation, NSIC, National Small Institutes